Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. Hola amigos, ¿cómo estáis todos? Oh my days, I've not uploaded a video ever since the year started. But if you're an OG, thank you so much for tuning in back. And if you're new, hello, hi, my name is Funke Adesh. Welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be sponsored by Asteria Hair. They sent me this gorgeous unit chocolate wig. Okay, I love the color. I love everything about this wig. So I've made this tutorial really simple and quick for all my girlies, because most of the comments I get is like, go, I make it look easy. Yes, because number one, I don't really like spending 3 hours in my hair. Number two, I want like an easy breezy process without going through all the hassle, whatever it is, but it always comes out flawless. Okay, so as I said earlier, this tutorial is actually being really simple and detailed. The steps are easy as well, so yeah, just follow through the steps and you'll be fine. So I'm just using my ebbing spray to lay down this unit. You can use any type of adhesive you like, glue or any type of spray you like, anything of your choice, just use it. As long as you follow the process, you'll be fine, I promise you. Anyways, I'm just using 2 layers of ebbing to lay down the frontal, using my rat tail comb and my blow dryer to make sure everything is laid down and melted in properly. So guys, this unit, I just literally washed it and conditioned it and I blow dried it. I did not bleach the knots because I was like, it's actually brown, so that is fine. The knots were not that thick, or the knots the knots were really tiny. It wasn't that bad, so I just used my lace tint on it and that was it. And I just really plucked it, minimal plucking, to be honest with you. You know, I don't like all that over plucking or anything like that. So anyways, minimum plucking. So I'm just going in with my ebbing spray and using everything to make sure everything is all seamless and flawless, pressing everything in properly. So all the information, all the links, everything will be in the description box down below. Yeah, as I said, I think I said I did not bleach the knots at all. Yeah, and I'm just using my elastic band to make sure everything is melted. Then I'm gonna go ahead with the brush that I use for my wigs, that I use to apply the lace tint. I'm gonna use that to, you know, use that on my hairline, just so there's no demarcation there or anything like that. So I always use like my brows, the arch of my brows, to take out my baby hairs, just so they're not wonky. And I promise you, I did not know what hairstyle to do with this wig at all. Well, anyways, I just freestyled in this video and I love the way it came out. So please be careful with the hot comb, because girl, that thing was really hot. I can't even imagine the amount of times I've actually burnt my forehead with this hot comb. Anyways, taking out my baby hairs. I really wanted this week to be like a relaxed vibe, but honestly, I couldn't help myself without doing baby hairs. And I have this bad rashes on my face, like it's just super sad, honestly. Please make sure, if you have the pencil hair straightener, please make sure you use that one, because this one burns my forehead every time. It's too big for baby hairs. And I'm using this mousse. I absolutely love this mousse. It smells so nice. It lays my baby hairs down really well. Everything just looks seamless and flawless. Anyways, I'm just using the elastic band to lay that in as well. I promise you, I was struggling to see in this video, but anyways, we move. As I said, I just freestyled this hairstyle. This is what it looks like, the length. I think it was like 22 inches. I'll leave everything in the description box. I cut layers to it, not too much, because as I said, I was freestyling this hairstyle because I did not know what hairstyle I wanted to do, but I knew for a fact that I did not want middle part or like a slick side part or anything. No, I tried a half up, half down. I was like, no, I'm not doing that. Everything is all nice and melted and seamless, and I'm absolutely loving it. I tried a ponytail with 2 bangs as well. Look at me throwing out the peace sign. Girl, please. Anyways, I did curl the ends of the wig off camera because I did not want to bore you guys with 30 minutes video or anything. So I did curl that end. Guys, when I tell you this hair is freshly washed, conditioned and blow dried, I did not straighten this hair at all. But the hair is gorgeous. So I used a bit of oil to like brush out the curls. I just used my fingers to like brush out the curls. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. Like, it's just lush, it's flowing, it's just beautiful. Like the color, I will actually rock this hair winter, summer. I can't wait to rock this hair in summer. Like, this color in the sun, honey, this is going to be looking absolutely gorgeous. I was just seeing what hairstyle I was gonna do, but I really love this no parting side swoop or side flip, whatever you want to call it. I really love this. This is looking so gorgeous. I actually wished I could add more layers to the hair. Like, I feel like it looks so nice, which I might do later on. But I am absolutely loving this. Gorgeous girl. Mwah, chef's kiss. Anyways, thank you so much, Asteria Hair, for sponsoring this video, and thank you guys for watching. I do appreciate it. All links, information will be in the description box down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.